need this, are you okay? Okay, that is all they say. Well, since it was party, alright, alright, yeah. You see, graduate instead of what did you? You see, graduate I still want to do, but I'll try, yeah.